Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Kraken tax reports for Form 8949 readiness step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Kraken account. Navigate to the Reports section found in the main menu. Select the Tax Reports option. Choose the time frame for your report. Ensure your selected date range includes all relevant transactions for the year. Click on the Generate Report button. Wait for the report to be generated. Once processed, click on the Download button to save it to your device. Open the downloaded report file. Locate the fields that correspond to your transactions. Identify the specific columns that represent profits, losses, and transaction details. Organize this information in a format compatible with IRS Form 8949. Ensure all gain and loss amounts are clearly delineated. Cross-reference your report with your transaction history for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments directly within the report if discrepancies arise. Save the finalized report version for your records. Ensure you're familiar with the IRS guidelines for Form 8949 submissions. Prepare to enter the information into Form 8949 or your tax software. Confirm that everything matches before finalizing your tax documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.